We're back at it again, folks. Another episode of the Daily ASIN Teardown. My name is John Aspinall with PickFu, and what am I looking at right here? I'm kidding. I know that these are Bluetooth earbud wireless things, but is it clear? I don't know. A lot of people in the space of earbuds, typically what they'll do is they'll have it floating outside. See, like these over here? See, like these silly geese that are doing well, big brand names, you know, Anchor, Beats, all that kind of stuff. So sometimes it's better to make it clear. Now, I know you guys will always say, well, could you put the packaging behind it? I don't know on this one. I don't know how strict and locked down the electronics category is because I don't see a lot of folks doing it, but that's not to say you can't try. But going back to this one, this is XFit. This was a user submission on this one. Your first image and your second image are the same image, just a little bit of a turn, not adding any value prop. Now, coming down here, talk about what it is. Do some typography. Nothing is telling me about what this is. I can understand it's an earbud, but is it sound canceling? Active noise canceling is over here, but where is it over here? Is it a charging case? I don't know. I see it in someone's ear. That's great. I see it in a case. It looks like she's about to dump them out. But nothing. People are visual creatures. As weird as that sounds. But what they need to do is they need to see what they're looking at. So put some typography on it. It says charging case. All that kind of, what if it is? Don't put charging case if it's not. But then why are you better than the competition? You're $39. So you're not the cheapest, but definitely not the most expensive. But why? You need to tell people why. What's the value in here? Now, going down to, you're getting a 3.4 star rating. That's not good. What's going on with that? So why do people not like it? It doesn't stay connected to my iPhone. Work well, no longer takes a charge on the base unit. Manual is terrible. Oh, you want to, definitely would want to fix that for sure. Your bullet points, I don't know why people keep using this to segment out. Don't do that. It just makes it harder for me to read. But you're putting a lot of technical stuff. Bluetooth 5.2, 24 plus hours, wireless quick charge. Oh, it's wireless? Oh, doesn't look like it from this picture. A manager app. I hate when I buy electronics and they come with their own apps. Don't make me download an app. It's just headphones. What do I need an app for? That's just me. Let's go down here and take a look at your brand story module. You have one, that's good. But you're not using it good. So you have all this dead pixel space here. You're showing the different product line. That's great. New arrival. What is it? I don't know what that is. Color black and blue, but give a little bit more substance. You have no crawlable text in here for alt text. Yeah, you're not really, you just put tests. So maybe you're testing this one out. I'm not sure. But alt text is good for typos, misspelling, Spanish phrases, things to add value for your SEO. Coming down to the A+, she looks so sad to be getting that picture taken of her. Maybe she just crashed and burned on her skateboard. I don't really know. She doesn't look happy. I think that's important for your creatives to have happy smiling faces living their best lives. You have your technical stuff down here. Game mode. All right. Wireless charging. What does game mode mean? And where, show me, nothing in your photos so far show wireless charging. Game mode. Okay. Low latency. What does that mean? Does it mean I'm going to hear it quicker? You have the app over here. I hate apps. 24. Why is this not in your photo stack at the top? And again, we talk about wireless charging. Where's the wireless charging over here? And I highly doubt someone that's going to be using guitars is buying a $39 headphones. It's just like a professional guitarist. Just saying. Make it more realistic to your ICP. So you have your A+ down here, but you're still not selling me on it. It's a mixture between sad girl, lack of information. Let's check the alt text down here. P1. No real alt text. Can't do that. Again, talking about what other people are doing in the space to grab attention. Now today, we're looking at some Jungle Scout data. Thanks a lot, Jungle Scout. And we can see you're ranking for 27 keywords. That is so low, especially in a crowded space like this. Organic rank, Ear Nothing 1. Organic rank, Echo Buds 2. So you're kind of going off of like the Amazon stuff, but you see here, you're very, you're not in the ballpark. You're not on the map. You're not in the ballpark. You are running some sponsored rank very high for Raycon, for Sony, for Raymond headphones, for Cuffy Con, that's Spanish term, I guess, LG tones. So you are running ads, but you really need to look at your listing before you run ads, because you're running ads and someone's landing on this and they're not getting the information they need to know. So that's not good. But as usual, folks, I come with receipts. So I ran a PickFu on this. And I said, if you're shopping on Amazon, saw this product, would you know everything you need to know from this one image? Let's see. Let's get my little magnifying glass out. Don't know what phone devices it's compatible with. Okay. Looks like a wireless Bluetooth headphone. The product would be focused on high fidelity sound. All right. Not really. There's some kind of wireless earbuds in the case. I definitely need to know more. Let's see here. I feel like I wouldn't know a lot just from the photo because I don't know what the battery life is like. So you could see here, I want to know what the battery life is like. I don't know what the capacity is. So you can see here, people still have a lot of questions. They have a lot of questions about your product and how it's going to affect them. So use this, test the limits, bend, an image suppression can be fixed in, 2 minutes. I would be so inclined to say, show more information and tell people what the battery life is like, compatible with iOS and Android devices or whatever else you're compatible with. But your image stack leaves a lot to be desired. And with that, we are ending another wonderful daily ASIN teardown with John Aspinall, powered by PickFu. If you guys liked anything that you saw in the video today, or does it seem like I know what I'm talking about and you don't want to do all the polling yourself, you don't want to do the creative yourself, we got you covered. Here at PickFu, we have a done-for-you service where just give us your ASIN, we'll do all the PickFu polling, we'll redo your image for you, and we just deliver you back those data-driven results. Time and money are two big things, and PickFu done for you can give that to you. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you on the flippy floppy for another episode of Daily ASIN Teardown. Oh, and don't forget to put your ASIN below if you want me to take a teardown of your ASIN. Take a teardown. Take a look at your ASIN, and we'll have you up here next.